Dear viewers, one more problem on mathematical induction IPE problems, long answer questions. You see, question number 11. Show that 3 into 5 power 2n plus 1 plus 2 power 3n plus 1 is divisible by 17 for all n belongs to capital N. You see, given given statement let given statement let given statement s of n is equal to 3 into 5 power 2n plus 1 plus 2 power 3n plus 1 is divisible by 17. Okay, all of you. Then we can written as here for step 1. Step 1. We prove by mathematical induction. So step 1. S of 1 is equal to 3 into 5 power 2 of 1 plus 1 plus 2 power 3 of 1 plus 1. S of 1 equal to 3 into 5 power 3 plus 2 power 3 plus 1, 4. This is equal to, this is implies this is 3 of 125. 5 cube is 125 plus 2 power 4 is 16. S of 1 equal to, this is 3 5 ja 3 5 ja 15, 1 3 2 ja 6 plus 1, 7 3 1 ja 3 plus 16. So 375 plus 16. This is 11 and 7 9 3. 397. 391. Sorry. This is implies 391 can be written as 17 into 391. 17 2 ja 17 to the 34 and this is 51. So 17 3 ja 17 3 ja 3 5 ja 21 to 3 1 ja. This is, it can be written as 17 into 23. Therefore, for n is equal to given n is equal to given statement S of n is true, is divisible by 17, is divisible by 17. Okay, all of you. Next, all of you go for step 2. Okay, step 2. Here n is equal to kb true. Okay, n is equal to kb true. S of k is equal to 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 plus 2 power 3k plus 1 is divisible by 17. Okay, all of you. S of k is equal to 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 plus 2 power 3k plus 1 can be written as divisible by 17 means 17 into m, where m belongs to capital N. Okay, all of you. So this is 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 is equal to 17m. You can take into this side minus 2 power 3k plus 1. Okay, all of you. Then 3 into 5 power 2k of k plus 1. Okay, 5 power 2k of k plus 1. That means 5 square is, you can multiply with 5 square on both sides. 17m minus 2 power 3k plus 1 into 25. Here or you can written as 2k of k plus 1 is k plus 1 5 square 5 square. This is 25. Then what we can written as 3 into 5 power 2 2 k plus 1 plus 2 is equal to what? 17 into 25m minus this is 3k 2 power 3k plus 1 into 5 square or 25. Okay, all of you. This is 3 into 5 power 2 of k plus 1 plus 1. This can be written as. Okay, both sides you add 2 power 3 of k plus 1 plus 1, 2 power 3 of k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 power 3 of k plus 1 plus 1 equal to here 17 into 25m minus this is 25 into 2 power 3k plus 1 plus 2 power 3k of 3 of k plus 1 plus 1 3 of k plus 1 plus 1. Okay, all of you. Then you simplify this one and we prove that n is equal to k plus 1 be true. N is equal to k plus 1 be true. So you see this as so this is equal to 17 into 25m minus 25 into 2 power 3k plus 1 plus this is 2 power 3k 2 power 3k plus 1 3k plus 1 2q. Okay, all of you. This is equal to 17 into 25m minus 25 into 2 power 3k plus 1 plus 2 power 3k plus 1 into 8 minus 25 plus 8 is 17. Okay, all of you. This is equal to 17 into 25m here plus 2 power 3k plus 1 common. This is you write plus minus 25 after. Then what is 17 into 25m? Here 8 minus 25 minus 17 into 2 power 3k plus 1. Okay, all of you. Then we have to write this as 17 into this is 25m minus 2 power 3k plus 1. This is, let us you take p. This is equal to 17p. 17p where p belongs to z or natural number, any one. Okay, all of you. Then s of n is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Okay, by mathematical principle of mathematical induction. So given statement s of n is true for n is equal to 1, true for n belongs to capital N. For all n belongs to capital N. Okay, all of you. Thank you for watching my video. That's all.